Hi viewers, welcome to Rasa in Subai. Today I am going to make a tomato dosa. I have already posted one recipe. This is a different recipe. Here I have taken 1 cup of rava, 1 cup of rice flour, half cup wheat flour, 2 teaspoon of salt, 1 onion is finely chopped, coriander leaves chopped. Here I have taken around 4 tomatoes, a small piece of ginger, 3 garlic cloves, 2 green chili, 1 tablespoon of coconut. We'll grind all these items together and add to the dry flour. The puree is ready. Now we'll add this to the flour. We'll also add cumin seeds, little bit of black pepper powder and hing powder in this. Now we'll mix this well with water. The tomato dosa batter is ready here. I have added 2.5 cup of water. The rava will absorb little water, so we'll give a resting period of 20 minutes. In the meantime, we'll prepare the chutney, coconut, green chili, a small piece of ginger I have taken, and roasted chana and salt. We'll grind this to a smooth paste. The batter we have added the chopped coriander and onion also. If you want, you can put grated coconut, cashews, etc. to enhance the taste. Tempering for the chutney, oil I've taken, mustard seeds, urad dal, curry leaves, and a piece of red chili. Add to the coconut chutney. Here I have got a teaspoon of curry leaves powder, which I am adding to the dosa batter. It is optional. If you want, you can add. Curry leaves I wash and put it in a cloth for drying. Then afterwards I keep it in a plate and leave it for 3-4 days. It gets dried up like this, and I ground the same in the mixer pot to make a powder, and I add to the sambar, vegetables, etc. while preparing it. Heat tawa, pour ladle full of batter and spread it. Drizzle some oil. If you add red chili, the color will be red, and tomato also should be very ripe and reddish in color. I will give the link of the other tomato dosa recipe in the description box. For ingredients, please check the description box. Now the dosa is ready and kept here, along with coconut chutney and a cup of coffee for breakfast. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye. You can prepare this as like we prepare the rava dosa. So I have added more water in it. Now we will pour the batter like we pour it for rava dosa. No need to fill the gaps. drizzle some oil. With one batter, you can prepare it in two ways. See, nicely it is cooked. Jalidar rava dosa like. So enjoy both the way of cooking. See, nicely crispy dosa is ready. And every time you make, you just wipe the tawa with a wet cloth